Hi my dear students. Today we will learn how to draw shapes with line symmetry. The objective of our lesson today is I can draw a figure that has line symmetry. Look at this question. Craig and Julia are designing kites. A kite will fly well if the kite has line symmetry. Does Craig's or Julia's kite have line symmetry? Explain. Then design your own kites. Design one kite with 2 lines of symmetry and another kite with 3 lines of symmetry. So this is the activity that I'm going to give it to you for this week. By the end of the week or the weekend, try to design your own kite. Make your own kite with design one kite with 2 lines of symmetry and another one with 3 lines of symmetry. I'm waiting your kites, okay? Now, here are the kites of Craig's and Julia's kites. Now we're gonna think about them. If they has a line symmetry or no. If they have line symmetry or no. Now look here. Craig's kite has line symmetry, 1 line. But Julia's, it can't be folded into 2 equal halves. Why? Look at the tail. Girls, if I draw a line here, I can. But at the end, in the tail, it's a little bit different. So once I fold them, I can't have match parts, okay? So Craig's design has 1 line of symmetry because if you fold it on the line, the sides match. So the sides will match here, right? But Julia's sides wouldn't match because of the kite's tail. Look back. Can both Craig's and Julia's kites can be folded into matching parts? If one of the kites is not line symmetric, can it be changed so that it is? Okay, so the answers is no and yes. No for Julia's kite and yes for Craig's kite because it can be folded. But Julia's kite can't be folded. So Julia's kite cannot be folded into matching parts. If a part is added to the right side of Julia's design, the kite would be line symmetric. So girls, if Julia draw the same a different tail, it's gonna be okay. But because the tail is like this in this way, so once I bring the left side and fold it on the right side, I'm gonna have a small part here out alone. So it's I can't have 2 matching sides. Now today's lesson is very easy and very simple. If I want to draw a line of symmetry, okay, I must have the same shape on the other side. The same shape on the other side exactly, okay? But we have to draw it on the opposite side. How? Look here, I have this shape. To complete the design, I will draw the same one down. Look at the green part here. The blue shape shows us that we look at the points, okay? Go through the points. Line from here, line up, then here, then down, okay? Now, the same exact one, I'm gonna draw it down, but in the upside down, okay? I'm gonna draw the same one upside down. Why upside down? Imagine to fold it. If you draw the same exactly one here without making it upside down, you can't have line symmetry. You can't have line of symmetry, okay? So you have to draw it upside down. The same here. You have this shape, okay? So when you want to draw it on the opposite side, you have to draw it upside down. when you draw it upside down, in this case, you can fold the paper and it's gonna be line symmetric, okay? Now, look here. Chandler tried to complete Sarah's design from the previous page. Describe the error. Look what he did, what I told you about the shapes just right now, that I have to draw it upside down, okay? In this case, if I fold the paper, am I gonna have two matching parts? No. So Chandler copied the design on the opposite side of the line of symmetry instead of using the line of symmetry as a fold line to complete Sarah's design, as I told you. Imagine that you're folding the line, okay? When you're drawing, imagine that you're folding, okay, the paper. How can folding a piece of paper help to determine if a line in a figure is a line of symmetry? If I fold the piece of paper and I have two matching parts, then done, right? If I fold it and I'm having matching parts, so I know I can tell that this figure is symmetric figure, right? So if the two parts of the figure match when the paper is folded on the line, it is a line of symmetry. Now look at questions number 3 and 4. It's very easy. The same. I'm gonna go to the opposite side here, the pink part, and think about the right side as the opposite side, okay? On the opposite side as upside down, or in the different way, okay? So I'm gonna complete it. Girls, they are supposed to be the same size. Here you're gonna look 1, 2. I needed 2 steps or 3 points. Here's point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, or dots. So here the same. I'm gonna draw a line with 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm starting with 1, 2, 3. Then the line here, I'm talking about the lengths, okay? The second line here, the same. Started with 0 or 1, 2, 3. The same here. You're gonna draw it. 1, 2, 3. You needed 3 points. Then here 1. The same here. Okay. So the size also, or the length of each side, supposed to be the exact side of the first shape, or on the left one. Okay. Now question number 4. The same. I'm gonna think about it, that you're folding a paper, how the shape supposed to be, so I'm gonna get a matching one. The last page, which of the following figures is symmetric about the shade about the dashed line? Look here. Think about A. If you folded the paper, are you gonna have a line of symmetry? Is this line of symmetry? No. B. Yes, it is. They will be exactly matching. Now let's look at C. C, no. Why? Because this part and this part will be out. Okay, if I imagine them, it's gonna come here and it's gonna be out. The same here. Imagine that you're folding this shape in this figure, on this line. So you're gonna have these two parts out. So no, they are not matching. It's a very easy lesson. Don't forget to do the activity that I told you about, the kites, design 2 kites. And don't forget to do the independent practice and the homework, send them to me. I'm waiting your work, okay? Be creative. Goodbye.